In this video, how to find receipts on Walmart app, I will show you step by step how to find receipts on the Walmart app. First, open the Walmart app on your phone. Then, log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, tap the menu icon. The menu is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the menu, find the option called Purchase History. Tap this option to view all orders made on your account. You will now see a list of your previous purchases. Select the order that you want to view the receipt for. After opening the order, find the option called View Receipt. Tap this option to open the full purchase details. The receipt will show the items purchased, total price, and purchase date. You will also be able to see the payment method used. If needed, you can take a screenshot to save the receipt. This is how you can access your purchase receipts anytime using the Walmart app.